I know that practice makes perfect, but I was hoping that you would take a look at this flight, this FPV drone racing real flight level 10 effort, and help me know what I am doing wrong. This is rather embarrassing. Let's let her rip and see what happens. What kind of pointers do you have? Thank you. Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and I am trying to learn first-person view drone racing. It is Real Flight 8. I am on level 10. I'm attempting to get a bronze medal so that I can unlock some more challenges. I'm using an Interlink controller. It looks like a standard controller for a radio flight device. That's the way it appears to me. I'm really a newbie at this, so would you please take a look at this video and leave comments below and tell me what you think just from what you see. What could I do to improve my piloting here? I am trying to slow down. I'm trying to hover. I do know that practice makes perfect, and I do understand that I can memorize the course, but I would like to learn how to adapt to challenges and not have to wipe. So thank you ahead of time.